guys, I'm really excited because today I'm going to be testing out the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Soju Beauty and I'm so excited to have you here. Just a little plug thing before we get into the video. I don't make any money off YouTube because they demonetize me and they refuse to remonetize me. I don't know why. So I made a Patreon and that is where I make my money. So if you want to support me on my channel, head over to my Patreon. I post like other beauty and makeup videos over there. Today we are trying out the Charlotte Tilbury. I have tried out the e.l.f. like liquid, what's it called? Halo Glow or something. And then I've also tried out the MCO one, but I haven't actually tried the original, the ones that they've been duping. So I was on holiday recently and I was like, yep, I'm going to buy it and we're going to try it out. So basically we're going to get straight into that. I've already primed my face. I used the Benefit Professional Primer, but yeah. So it just says, the future has arrived. Hollywood Flawless Filter, a magical new flawless filter for perfect looking skin enriched with lamellar filler, which acts like a digitally enhanced filter for your skin. It soft focuses, perfects and illuminates for a dewy, flawless superstar youth glow. So it says you can either apply it all over the face as a flawless filter or on top of foundation if you want extra coverage. Crazy. So I'm just going to use mine as if it's a foundation today. I feel like it's crazy how much it looks like the MCO one. Or I should say how much the MCO one looks like this. Mine is in the shade 3 Fair. It says to give it a good shake. I don't think I've ever actually tried anything from Charlotte Tilbury, so this will be fun. Let's do half of my face. Oh god, I feel like I got the entirely wrong shade. They only, like, I feel like they don't have many shades of this because it's meant to be like a, you know, like not a foundation-y thing. I don't know. So hopefully once it's blended out it doesn't look too bad, but let's just give it a go. I'll bring it in a little bit closer so you can kind of see what's going on. Okay, this is not light, sweetheart. This is medium. Okay, let's add a little bit more. Okay, I'm just gonna like blend it into my neck, but it's not as bad that like it's blended out now. So this is a little half face. I'll show you like, and I'll bring you in. So this is my skin, and then that's Charlotte Tilbury, my skin, Charlotte Tilbury. So, initial thoughts. I honestly kind of feel like I like the e.l.f. one more, but we're going to persist. We haven't finished with it yet, so let's just keep going. Now, I don't know if the Benefit Primer was the best like choice for this today. Trying to think what I used under my MCO one and stuff, and I honestly think I used something that was like glowy and stuff, so it could completely be my primer choice. But anyway, we're gonna finish up the face and then see what we think. I've also got the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray that I need to try out, but I feel like if I tried it out in this video it's a bit like unfair because I've heard really good things about that as well. So I feel like I just need to try this product out like with products that I already have and then like other stuff we can try out. Like I feel like you either try out a foundation with everything else you normally use or you try everything else out with the foundation that you normally use, you know? Like I feel like you can't really try out a foundation and a new primer and a new setting spray and a new powder because it's like, I don't know why I feel like the other ones have more coverage. Like, and don't get me wrong, I know that this is not meant to be like a product that has coverage. Like I know that it's not, like it's obviously like a flawless filter, it's not a foundation. So, but I just feel like the other ones might have, I don't know. Anyway, this is how I'm looking at the moment. Like I feel like looking in the mirror, granted I can't really see myself down in this mirror, but it does look really nice and glowy and shiny. I'm gonna pop on a little bit of concealer. I will also say that my face is a little bit worse at the moment than what it normally is. Normally I'm pretty lucky with my skin. It's looking a little rough at the moment because I have been doing all of my Halloween looks, so I feel like it's just like I've been putting, you know, liquid latex and eyeshadow and all that type of stuff on my face that you're probably not actually meant to put on your face. So my skin's kind of just a bit mad at me at the moment. Normally I feel like it looks a little bit nicer than this. I have also been sick, which dries my skin out a lot. So just a couple of things to note. I'm gonna real quickly set my concealer. I'm just gonna take my Laura Mercier, and I've tried to go with products that like are quite like natural, not like super heavy is what I mean. So I'm going to go with my Hourglass powders today, and I'm pretty sure that's what I used when I tried out the MCO one and the e.l.f. one as well, because I feel like, you know, with something like this, you're not meant to go and then put like a bunch of heavy powders on top, because I feel like that just obviously like mattifies everything and then makes, like, takes away your healthy glow, or, you know, whatever. So I'm going to set my face today with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Infinity Powder. I really like this one, and like I said, it's just a really nice powder. It just is like, honestly, like a little veil over your face. It's so nice, and I feel like it doesn't weigh your face down with like you know, it doesn't make your face look like powdered. I don't know, it's really nice. I like it. The more and more that I'm looking at it in the mirror, I do like it. Obviously, like I said, I can't really see that well because I don't have my glasses on. So I can't obviously see all my little imperfections and things like that, but just from the mirror it looks nice. So I'm going to take the Hourglass bronzer. This one's in Nude Bronze Light, and once again this is the same kind of deal. Like, it's just such a nice powder without like weighing your face down, and such like a nice, like, kind of natural, not like super natural, but you know what I mean, like it's just real nice. Love my Hourglass products. Wow, I meant to be like trying out Charlotte Tilbury products, and I'm just like hyping up Hourglass the whole time. But I do genuinely really like Hourglass. I think that is a brand, a high-end brand that is worth the money. I'm a little bit skeptical of high-end brands. I am. You know, I enjoy my brands that are like a more affordable price point, and that's why I like to test out like high-end brands, because sometimes I don't think they're all that. I also am well aware that I probably went for like the craziest eye look today when I'm trying to try out like a naturally kind of product. So anyway, we're going to finish it with the Hourglass blush. This is the Brilliant Nude one. I really enjoy this. For highlight today, I'm going to take my Too Faced Love Light. This is in the shade Blinded by the Light. This is such a nice highlight. I don't know if they still make this, but it's so nice. It's kind of like a lit from within kind of glow. Oh, it's really nice though. I really enjoy it. I've taken the absolute wrong brush for this today, but this was all I had. I mean, I have other brushes in the bathroom. I was just too lazy to go and get them. Today I'm going to be setting my face with the Colourpop No Filter Setting Mist. I'll let that do its thing. I'm going to add some lower lash mascara, and I need to figure out something to do with my hair because it's a greasy mess. I was meant to wash it last night, but I just felt so terrible because I like haven't, I forgot that I haven't talked about it in this video. I was talking about it in the video that I filmed beforehand, which was this eye look, testing out the P. Louise Droplet of Magic palette. But I was saying in that video how I've been like quite unwell lately, like just since I got back from our trip and stuff. Like, I've just had a cold, and then I got a bladder infection, so it's just kind of been like, ugh. But yeah, I was meant to wash my hair last night, and I didn't because I just felt so sick, and that's a whole process. So alright, I'm going to go off camera, I'm going to do my hair, add a lip, and then we will be back, and we can go over my final thoughts. Okay, this is the finished look. I'm going to zoom you in and show you, just so you can see everything up close and kind of judge it for yourself. Okay, I honestly haven't even properly looked at it myself. Let me have a little... Okay, I honestly, like it honestly actually does look really nice, I can't lie. In my opinion anyway. There's like a little bit of foundation missing here, and that's because when I was doing it's not foundation, but there's a bit of like product missing here. Because when I was doing my hair, I like went like that. I am always hurting myself. Like, I don't know how I managed to do it. I'm always scratching my face and stuff. But anyway, I honestly feel really pretty in this. I think it does look really, really nice. It is a super nice base. My only thing is I just don't know if I notice a massive difference between this one and my MCO one or my ELF one. I honestly want to make some comparison videos because I feel like having them side by side will be easier to judge. And like obviously there's things that come into play like longevity and all that type of stuff, so, and how it wears throughout the day. So I know that there's those things as well. And obviously it comes down to ingredients and stuff like that. But part of me wonders, you know, how similar these formulas actually are, but one just has a high-end name attached to it. So if you've tried both of these products, I'd really be interested to know your thoughts. Like, don't get me wrong, it definitely looks really nice and I am really happy with it. Like, I'm definitely glad that I bought it. I think it's something, yeah, like something that I don't regret buying. I'm really happy with the way it looks. I do feel pretty. And I think that I've realised, or like come to realise that because I am such a pale person, like when I'm at my lightest, full coverage foundations and stuff just aren't the go really, because I end up looking like I'm sick or wearing a mask or a ghost or something like that. So I have been really enjoying products like this. But yeah, those were my thoughts. So let me know down below what you guys think. And yeah, let me know if you've tried both of these out. I would love to know your thoughts. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.